Hey everybody, it's Stuart with Wine on the Dime. I'm here for day 2 of the Advent wine calendar. And you know what, my wife does a lot of work for the church. She just basically told me this isn't necessarily really an Advent calendar. It's more of a countdown to Christmas calendar. I'm gonna be honest, I'm a horrible Christian, so I don't know the difference of that. And she's probably gonna kill me for saying that on this video. But let's go ahead and look at number 2 regardless. So pop that open. And let's see what we have here. It's the 2019 Bougie Chardonnay. All right, so got my white wine glass now, and let's take a look at this. Screw top +1, and this is from the Central Coast. It is 2019, and it is 14.5% alcohol by volume. It's a lot for Chardonnay. From a color standpoint, I mean, this is where it gets weird because I would say it's like a pale orange, if I had to say anything. But it kind of falls outside of the WSET spectrum. It's almost more like a copper looking color, like a very pale copper. No artifacts, no cloudiness. On the nose, well, I mean, at least it kind of smells like Chardonnay. I'm getting like this apple, this pear, maybe a touch peach. Oh, it's a lot of pear. It's a lot of pear in this wine. Woo! Maybe a touch of orange. Yeah, I mean, but I'm getting no secondary, which is fine. I mean, 2019 at this price, don't expect really any barrel notes added to this wine. It's probably just steel tank. All right, well, let's get to the taste. Okay, so medium minus intensity on the nose, medium minus intensity on the palate too. The fruit's the dominant thing, but I mean, the pear is just screaming on this wine. There's a little bit of like a red apple note. That's kind of it. Like low, the alcohol actually tastes low. I don't taste the alcohol at all. Almost clean finish. I don't know what else to say about this. Let's get to the blick. Balance standpoint, for everything being so low, you're in balance. No, I'm gonna give you half a point. And the reason here is because while the intensity is medium minus, it does, the actual weight of the wine, like the structure actually tends to be a little bit heavier. I would prefer more intensity, more kind of punch of all the other stuff, especially at 14.5. I'd actually expect to get a little bit of the alcohol. Not getting any of that in this glass. Yeah, so on that note, half a point on the balance. Length, almost finished clean, no points. Intensity, I'm not gonna give you any points either. I'm just not gonna do it. And in terms of complexity, no. Yeah, I'm not really not much of a fan of that. Yeah, it's just not my thing here. It's just a few fruit, which is mostly pear, and that's pretty much it. And so in terms of this one, I'm gonna give this one a bad. I'm actually not a fan of this one at all. And yeah, so day 2 of my Advent calendar, I struck out. But I mean, there are still 10 more wines to try in this box, so I don't know, maybe something we'll check out. Anyway, this has been Stuart with Wine on the Dime. If you liked today's video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Have you tried the 2019 Bougie Chardonnay from the Central Coast from the Wine Advent Calendar? I'd be interested to know if you have. Leave a comment below, and I'll see y'all again soon with another episode from Wine on the Dime. Goodbye, white wine.